Hi everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to fix call history missing on Messenger. So this feature is currently not available if you have updated your Messenger compared before if you're using the old version of your Messenger. Probably you can see that call history log or call history icon on your Messenger application. Unfortunately now, you can see it right here. So before the call history icon can be found here nearby or beside chats, highlights, people, and stories. But now, unfortunately, we can't see it and it's no longer here. However, if you want to see what it looks like, so this is what it looks like. This is your messenger and this is the call history. If you tap this one, then it will take you directly to your call history. So I guess there's no way to fix this one since Facebook or Messenger already removed this. However, you can try to download the older version of Messenger. Maybe you can see this icon there. And if not, for iPhone user, you shouldn't be worried because you can see that in the recent calls. In your recent calls, you can see here the calls from Google Duo Audio, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Messenger, and mobile. So all you have to do is to locate those calls from your messenger. And this is how you know that this call is from Messenger. Now to fix this, all you have to do is to wait till the Messenger application or Facebook will allow this feature to be used again here on your Messenger application. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorial videos. See you again.